Hello guys, welcome to amunboxing. This is your host Ari. So today we are here to celebrate our special day. Today we are a 65 member family of amunboxing. Today I will not do any unboxing video. I have something for you guys. A surprise. Not a surprise, you already know by seeing the title of this video. So before going to that section, I personally like to thank each and everyone for being part of this family of amunboxing. To celebrate this occasion, I am having a giveaway to you guys. So, what is there in the giveaway? One of our lucky family member will win an Amazon gift voucher worth 500 rupees to celebrate this occasion in our channel. What you have to do to earn this opportunity to 500 rupees gift voucher from Amazon? Very simple. I will not go with any complex type of things like asking so many questions. I will not ask you guys to do blah 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 things. To know more about the giveaway, please watch this video till the end. Yes, watch this video till the end. So let me think what we can do. Yes, I have an idea. So we have to do three things. You all have to do three things, not we have. First one is, those who are new in this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Those who are already our family members, they have to skip this first step. The second step will be like this video. This will be the second step. The third step will be to answer a simple question, very simple question. So the chair which I am using, you have to tell me the brand name of this chair and the model name of this chair. So this is the third question, very simple. You will get the answer by looking at this chair, or you will get the answer in any of my unboxing videos. Where you have to tell me? You have to tell me in the comment section. So comment section ko bhar dalo. Now the most awaiting thing is, one of our lucky family member will win the gift voucher of 500 rupees from Amazon, and I will declare the result on the day when we will reach hundreds family members channel. I will come live and I will pick the lucky family member. I am especially like to thank each and every one of you for supporting my channel. To help you guys, help me grow. Today we are a 65 members family. Who can say in near future we can be a million family members channel? So why you are waiting? Flood out the comment section. I am waiting. That's it for today. We will be seeing you guys in any next video. Thank you and bye bye.